Friends, so I'm back with a new video on latest Gulf jobs today. I'm going to cover around 30 plus job postings for today's video, and there are many free recruitments as always, and you will see the latest Gulf jobs for Gulf and some other countries as well. So please don't skip, watch complete video so that you should not miss any opportunity. Those who are new on this channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon because I'm posting jobs on a daily basis on latest Gulf and some other countries. So please watch the complete video. This posting is for UAE, for oil and gas industry. Client interview will be in Mumbai on 26th and 27th of September. Positions you can see on the screen. Fitter, fabricator and some other positions are there. Experience, 7 plus years of experience is required for all the positions. You can see the email ID and contact details are given, so you can apply, and if you have any queries you can contact on the given numbers. These are the WhatsApp numbers as well, so you can approach them on WhatsApp. Next is for Bahrain. Position is hotel sales manager. Requirements are candidate must have 3 years of experience in similar role in the hospitality industry, preferred with specific experience in the Arabian market, must have hotel management degree or diploma, fluent in English. So please you can send your resume in Word format on the given email ID, and you can contact them if needed. So friends, there are many interviews which will take place in Kolkata or Chennai and some other locations as well. So this posting is for Saudi, for a leading coffee chain. Client interviews will be in Mumbai on 14th and Kolkata on 16th and 17th of September. Positions are baristas, FOH crew and BOH crew. So freshers with degree in hotel management may also apply. So those who have experience and those who don't have experience, this posting is for both candidates. Requirements are all candidate must speak English fluently, must have at least year of experience in an international coffee chain or QSR restaurants, must have degree in hotel management. These candidates will be preferred, but as they have mentioned, freshers also can apply. Next is for UAE, for a leading catering company. Positions are camp boss, laundryman, assistant cook, chapati maker, pest control technicians. So free food, accommodation and transportation will be provided by company. These are the contact details. You can take a screenshot if needed. Next is for Saudi. Shortlisting in progress and there will be online interview shortly. The position is storekeeper. Minimum 3 years of experience in storekeeper. Minimum requirements are inventory or fixed asset and material on sites, ensuring that the store is kept clean and organized. Adding data into the file systems, mostly ERP systems. Ensuring accuracy of facility inventory system by updating records of physical inventory totals, receipts, adjustments, and returns. Educational qualification is bachelor degree. Attractive salary and other benefits will be provided by company. Next is for Saudi again. Shortlisting will start from 13th September to 17th of September, and there will be an online interview for the shortlisted candidates. So Linux system engineer, ITSM engineer, IT or OT operations manager, asset inventory specialist, system engineer, network engineer, IT infrastructure engineer, and network and cyber security engineer. So many subscribers were inquiring for the IT openings. So this can be the good opportunity for them. There are multiple IT requirements. So all candidates should have minimum 10 years of experience in related field or industry, information technology systems, management, public transportation or metro. Attractive salary and other benefits will be provided by company. You can see the contact details below. So friends, many interviews will be online, so you no need to go anywhere. You can attend the interview remotely from your respective location. So this is for Saudi again for a plastic manufacturing division. Shortlisting from 13th September to 20th of September. Positions are Central Workshop Manager, Process and Cost Optimization Engineer, Document Controller, Film Production Supervisor, Quality Controls Inspector, Quality Control Supervisor, Machine Operator, then mold setter, electrical supervisor, electrical technicians, assistant technicians, machinist technician, assistant technicians, AC technicians, and skilled helper. All candidates should have relevant experience in plastic industries. Attractive salary and other benefits will be provided by company. You can see the contact details below for Kochi and Chennai and Mumbai also. Next is for UAE, Safety and Security Division. Walk-in shortlisting is in progress at Chennai office. Final client interview will be on 18th of September at Chennai. So you can see the interview venue address as well. Positions are firefighting technicians, fire alarm technicians, GI pipe fitter, firefighting, pipe fitter GI, and building electrician. So candidates should have diploma or ITI certificate and experience in relevant field. Company will provide accommodation, transportation, medical insurance, and overtime. So you can see the contact details. Next is for dynamic consulting staffing services for Delhi locations. So those who are looking for jobs in India, so this can be a good opportunity. Position is business development manager for their Delhi head office. Good English knowledge is required. Minimum 5 years of experience in cruise line is mandatory. Next is for Qatar. It's a free recruitment for a long term project. Positions are painting inspector, lifting equipment engineer, lifting supervisor, CNC machine operator, carpentry. Candidates must have experience in heavy industrial and oil and gas project, must have Gulf experience. Accommodation, transportation will be provided by company. Shortlisting in progress, interviews will be online. Next is for Saudi Arabia for oil and gas EPC project in Saudi. It's a long-term project. Positions are coating crew supervisor, spray painter, and sandblaster, pipe fitter as well. Candidates must have a minimum of 5 years of experience in their respective field. Gulf experience is a must. Holding Aramco card will be preferred. So online interviews will take place on 14th, 15th and 16th of September. So you can contact immediately if you have experience in these positions. So friends, next is for a Korean contracting company for Saudi Arabia. Shortlisting in progress and client interviews will be on 23rd of September in Chennai. Aramco experience is mandatory in oil and gas. At least 5 to 10 years of experience is required. Positions are JIS engineer, JIS supervisor, QC manager, QC supervisor, QC inspector, HSC manager, HSC supervisor, and HSC officer. So walk-in shortlisting interviews will be held between 10 to 6 p.m. Monday to Saturday. Food, accommodation, transportation will be provided by company. So you can see the contact details and email ID. Next is for NSH, for oil and gas project. Shortlisting in progress, and this is for Abu Dhabi, UAE. Client interview will be on 22nd of September. Positions are piping foreman, welding foreman, millwright fitter, pipe welder, pipe fitter, brush painter, and rigger. Minimum 2 to 5 years of experience in oil and gas industry is required. Attractive salaries plus food accommodation will be provided by company. Next is for Bahrain. Urgently required for an international leading chain of fast food restaurant. Candidate must have previous experience in quick service restaurant. Shortlisting in progress. Online interviews will be conducted shortly. Positions are restaurant general manager (RGM), assistant restaurant manager (ARM), and shift supervisors. Minimum 2 to 5 years of experience with their respective positions in QSR or hotel industry with excellent communication skills. Hotel management degree or any graduate can apply. Must be fluent in English language and no visible tattoo and should handle 15 to 25 team members. Shortlisting interviews will be held between 10 to 6 Monday to Saturday. Attractive salaries, on duty meal, free accommodation and transportation will be provided by company. So for this you can search out the contact details of Asia Power Mumbai office. You will easily get it on Google. Next is for Saudi. Shortlisting in progress. Client interviews will be on 14, 15 and 16th of September at Mumbai, Delhi, Chennai, Vadodara and Kochi. So friends, there are multiple interview locations. You can choose any locations which is nearest to your town. So the positions are spray painter, coating applicator, sandblaster, coating crew supervisor. Attractive salaries, free food accommodation and transportation will be provided by company. Next is for Saudi, for a cement company. It's a long-term project. Client interviews will be held shortly in Mumbai and Delhi. Positions are loader operator, dumper operator, excavator operator, and bulldozer operator. Fluent in English, read, speak, and write. Qualification high school certificate in addition to heavy equipment driving license, certification of heavy equipments. Experience minimum 8 to 10 years in cement plant or mining, crushing. Gulf experience is mandatory. Should possess certification license and should have worked in the equipment they have mentioned. You can read it carefully. Attractive salary, food, accommodation and transportation will be provided by company. Next is for Kuwait, for a defense project. It's a long-term job. Gulf experience is not mandatory. Indian experience will also considered. The position is security guard. So many were requesting for a security guard job. So they can definitely go for it. It's a defense project in Kuwait. Free food, shared accommodation and transportation will be provided by company. Next is for Kuwait. This is for a leading maintenance company involved in refinery, petrochemical, oil and gas projects. So shortlisting in progress, Gulf experience is required. Client interviews will be in Chennai on 21st and 22nd of September. Maintenance experience is must. Positions are engineer contracts, engineer maintenance planning, engineer mechanical maintenance, contract administrator, supervisor mechanical maintenance, supervisor rotating equipment, scheduler, rotating equipment mechanic, assistant rotating equipment mechanic, tool room attendant, supervisor tool room, foreman mechanical maintenance, executive secretary, senior scheduler, general fitter and machinist. So engineer must hold degree in respective field of engineering and KSC card with 8 to 12 years of experience in refinery, oil and gas and petrochemicals. For supervisors, diploma in mechanical engineering with 12 years of experience in maintenance. General fitter must hold HSC with 8 years of experience in mechanical maintenance work in oil or chemical industry. For rotating equipment mechanic and assistant, HSC with ITI and minimum 8 years of experience in maintenance overhauling of rotating equipments. So they have given the list of documents which you need to send along with your updated CV while applying for the jobs, and these are the contact details. Next is for Russia, for a piping operator positions. Salary will be 2,500 US dollar. Conditions they have mentioned. What are conditions will be there for this job? So you can see on screen. You can take a screenshot if needed. Shortlisting in progress, and these are the contact details. Work in Moscow and the Moscow region, experience working on peeling plants, knowledge of the main parameters and technical characteristic, operating instructions of the drilling rig, responsibilities, clogging of railway piles and sheet piles, relocation, installation, dismantling of drilling rigs, maintenance of equipment under the supervision of the chief mechanic, compliance with labor protection and responsibility during lifting operations. So these are the conditions they have given. Next is for Saudi Arabia. It's a long-term job in oil and gas project. Client interviews will be next week at Mumbai. Position is pipe fitter and the number of openings are 100. So these are the bulk opening for pipe fitter positions. Minimum 5 to 7 years of experience in oil and gas, refinery and petrochemicals. So you can see the contact details. Next is for Qatar. It's a long-term job and this is completely free recruitment. So positions are senior construction supervisor, piping and structural, project coordinator, mechanical foreman, piping and structural, 6G welder, TIG and arc, rigging, scaffolding foreman, driver or forklift operator. So they have given a requirement against each position. You can read it carefully before you apply. Next is for Saudi. It's free visa, grader operator, 5 openings. Indian license is required. Like along with Indian license, you can apply. Salary will be 1,300 Saudi Riyal plus 300 for food and OT. Free food, accommodation, free medical, insurance, duty 10 hours plus OT, 2 years contract. Self introduction video and working video is must. So for any further details or inquiry, you can contact on given numbers. Next is for Germany. This is for a staff nurse. Shortlisting in progress. Degree or diploma with at least 3 years of nursing experience is required. Valid nursing license. Post online interview job program agreement. Must be able to communicate clearly in English and will be willing to learn at the B1 level of German. Kindly send the below mentioned documents on given email ID. Salary will be 2,300 to 3,900 euro plus other benefits. So the consultant in Chennai, Shiali HR Services. Next is for UAE, Abu Dhabi. This is free recruitment and positions are civil, senior planning engineer, civil, general foreman, shuttering foreman and finishing foreman. So these are 2 openings. They have given the detailed requirement. You can read it carefully. Company will offer good salary package with free food, accommodation, medical, laundry, etc. So you can send the documents on given email ID. Shortlisted candidates will have Skype or telephonic or Google Meet interview by the company delegate shortly. So this is going to be online interview. You just need to send your document for shortlisting. Next is for Dubai, for a leading marine company. Direct client interview will be on 20th of September. Shortlisting in progress. Positions are pipe fitter, pipe fabricator, marine mechanic, MIG arc welder, 6G arc machine welder, electrician, hydraulic technician, and hydraulic engineer. 3 to 5 years of marine or shipyard company experience, good salary, 8 hours duty, OT will be applicable. ECR or ECNR, both passports are accepted. So you can read the detailed job posting carefully. This is for Saudi again. Gulf experience is required and interview is going to be online interview. Position is accountant, 5 number of openings. Salary will be negotiable. Accommodation, transportation will be provided by company. Duty will be of 8 hours and 6 days a week. So accountant with Gulf experience, bachelor degree in accounting, finance or a real or a related field is required. So friends, those who are looking for for a accountant job in Gulf countries can definitely take benefit of this opportunity. Anyways, interview will be online, so you can immediately apply. If your profile gets shortlisted, they will arrange you online interview. Next is for Saudi. Direct client interview will be on 30th of September at Tamil Nadu. Positions are foreman plumbing and firefighting. Salary they have already mentioned for all the positions. So for foreman plumbing and firefighting is going to be 4,200 Saudi Riyal. Assistant foreman plumbing and firefighting technician, assistant plumbing and firefighting technicians, and arc welder. Candidate should have construction field experience. So this posting is for Saudi. Next is for NSH Middle East. Shortlisting in progress. Client interview will take place in Chennai. Junior engineers, mechanical, civil, electrical, and automobile. Experience 1 to 5 years. Indian experience will also accepted. Qualification BTech BE in engineering. So next is for Saudi again. Client interviews will be on 27th of September at Tamil Nadu. Positions are contract administrator, QC electrical, QC mechanical, electrical engineer, PLFF engineer, HVAC engineer, MEP draftman, electrical draftman, HVAC draftman, electrical foreman, assistant electrical foreman, electrician, assistant electrician, HVAC foreman, assistant HVAC foreman, assistant PL and PF foreman, technician, and assistant technician. So friends, you can see positions and they have clearly mentioned the salary for all the positions. Construction experience is a must. So you can take a screenshot of contact details if needed. If you need any details from these all job postings in this video, you can ask me in WhatsApp group. I will share that with you. You can ask me personally, basically on WhatsApp. You will get the contact details like link to WhatsApp group in description. So friends, this was today's posting. Thank you for watching complete video and I hope the information was useful. Please take benefit of these latest opportunities and apply for the job. Thank you.